Hi, I am going to tell you all what is an earthquake. The surface of the earth is like a jigsaw puzzle, but we don't feel it because they move quite slowly. Each one of those puzzle pieces are called tectonic plates. When rock underground suddenly breaks along a fault, an earthquake is caused. Earthquake is a sudden and violent shaking of the ground. What should we do before, during, and after an earthquake? You must have a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, battery-powered radio, flashlight and extra batteries.
Learn how to turn off the gas, water, and electricity. Learn first aid. Don't leave heavy objects on shelves. Learn the earthquake plan at your school or workplace. Always be alert. Stay calm. Perform the duck, cover, and hold. One-minute strong shaking signified by 1-minute bell. In this phase, everyone should perform duck, cover, and hold under desk or tables. Once the shaking stops, everyone should evacuate the school building and proceed using routes to go to identified evacuation areas. At the evacuation area, students must be grouped together. Teachers should check and make sure all students are accounted for. An evaluation of the drill must be conducted to identify problems encountered and how this can be corrected in future earthquake drills. Check yourself and others for injuries, stay out of damaged areas, turn on the radio, and be careful. This is done to ensure the safety of parents, students, teachers, and staff during and after a damaging earthquake. Thank you so much for listening and have a great day ahead.